My name is Taylor Conley. I am a second-year MBA student at the MIT Sloan School of Management. I've spent the last month or so in Armenia teaching at Yerevan State University, teaching a workshop on persuading with data. I decided to come to Armenia because it seemed like a really good fit with my focus on business and the types of courses offered at Yerevan State University.
Being able to, take ownership and design my own curriculum and sort of run my own workshop, that's been, I think, a really empowering experience for me.
I grew up in a town where, there were a lot of Armenians, and I actually worked at an Armenian diner when I was growing up. And I had always loved the food, I had loved the people, I loved the culture. So I wanted to come to Armenia and experience that for myself.
Yes, I would absolutely recommend it. It's been a great experience so far. For me, at least, growing up in the United States, it was kind of a different enough culture for me to feel like I'm really experiencing something new. So it was like a nice blend of taking some things from home, but also, learning a lot and having a really unique experience by being in a different culture.